Hello student, welcome to digital classes. This video is for class 8. The subject is maths. In this video I include some question of linear equation that left in the previous video. So I discussed in this, then I started a new chapter, that is profit and loss. In linear equation I solved some 4-5 question from the last in the exercise 8b. Now the 21st question, divide 150 into 3 parts such that the second number is 5/6 the first and the third number is 4/5 the second. Now the solution, sum of three number is equal to 150. Let the first number is x, second number is equal to 5/6x, and the third number is equal to 4/5 of second, that is 2/3x. We get 2/3x by multiplying 4/5 into 5/6x. According to problem, add these three number x plus 5/6x plus 2/3x, which is equal to 150, which implies 6x plus 5x plus 4x upon 6 is equal to 150 upon x. By cross multiplying we get x is equal to 900 upon 15, which is equal to 60. First number is equal to 60 and the second number is equal to 5/6 into 60, which is equal to 50, and the third number is equal to 2/3x. So 2/3 multiplied by 60, which is equal to 40. Now the question number 22. Divide 4,500 into 2 parts such that 5% of first part is equal to the 10% of the second part. Now the solution, sum of two part is equal to 4,500. Let the first part be x and the second part is equal to 45 minus x. This is because the sum of two part is 4,500. Now according to question, 5% of x is equal to 10% of 4,500 minus x. After solving this question we get 5x is equal to 45,000 minus 10x. So 5x plus 10x is equal to 45,000. So 15x is equal to 45,000. Then x is equal to 45,000 divided by 15, which is equal to 3,000. Hence the first part is 3,000 and the second part is equal to 4,500 minus 3,000, which is equal to 1,500. Now the question number 23. This is a age problem. Rakhi's mother is 4 times as old as Rakhi. After 5 years, her mother will be 3 times as old as she will be then. Find their present age. Let the Rakhi's age be x years and then her mother's age is equal to 4x. After 5 years, Rakhi's age is equal to x plus 5 and her mother's age is equal to 4x plus 5. According to question, her mother is 3 times after 5 years. So 4x plus 5 is equal to 3 bracket x minus 5, which implies 4x plus 5 is equal to 3x plus 15. Transfer the variable in one side and the number in one side. We get 4x minus 3x is equal to 15 minus 5. So x is equal to 5. Rakhi's age is 10 years and her mother age is 40 years. Now question number 24. Meenu's father is 26 years younger than Meenu's grandfather and 29 years older than Meenu. The sum of their ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each of them? Let age of Monu is equal to x year. His father will be x plus 29 and his grandfather age is x plus 29 plus 26, that is equal to x plus 55. Their ages is equal to 135. Question, 3x plus 84 is equal to 135. So 3x is equal to 135 minus 84, which is equal to 51. Now x is equal to 51 upon 3, which is equal to 17. So Monu's age is equal to 17 year. His father's age is equal to 17 plus 29, which is equal to 46. And his grandfather is equal to 46 plus 26, which is equal to 72 years. A man is 10 times older than his grandson. He is also 54 year older than him. Find their present age. This is a question number 25. Let the grandson's age be x year. Then his age is 10x. But 10x is equal to x plus 54. So according to question, 10x is equal to x plus 54. So 10x minus x is equal to 54. 9x is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 upon 9, which is equal to 6. Grandson's age is equal to 6 year and his age is 6 into 10, which is equal to 60 years. Question number 26. The difference between the ages of two cousins is 10 years. 15 years ago, if the elder one was twice as old as younger one, find their present age. Now the solution. Let age of elder cousin is equal to x years and the age of younger cousin is x minus 10 years. 15 years ago, age of older cousin is equal to x minus 15 and age of younger cousin is x minus 10 minus 15, which is equal to x minus 25 years. According to question, x minus 15 is equal to 2 bracket x minus 25. As the elder one was twice as old as the younger one, so that is why x minus 15 is equal to 2 bracket x minus 25. Now which implies x minus 15 is equal to 2x minus 50. Now transfer the variable in one side and number in one side. We get x is equal to 35. So the elder cousin age is equal to 35 year and the younger one is 35 minus 10, which is equal to 25 years. Now the last question of exercise 8.2. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond and find the number of the deer in the herd. Means you have to find the total number of deer in a herd. Now solution. Let number of deers be x. Number of those who were grazing is equal to x upon 2. Now the remaining is equal to 1 minus x upon 2, which is equal to x upon 2. Number of those who are playing is equal to x upon 2 multiplied by 3 upon 4, which is equal to 3x upon 8, and the number of remaining who were drinking water from the pond is equal to 9. Now just add the number of deer. We get x is equal to x upon 2 plus 3x upon 8 plus 9. When we solve this, we get 8x minus 7x is equal to 72. Means x is equal to 72. The total number of deer in a herd is 72. Now the exercise 8.2 is completed. Let us start a new chapter. This is profit and loss. Now profit and loss. Profit and loss accounting is a fundamental way to measure the financial performance of a business. A firm grasp of the basis is essential. There are two different kind of profit and loss problem. Those in which profit or loss is based on cost and those in which profit or loss is based on selling price. Before such a problem can be solved, it must be known in which of these cases it belongs. Bear in mind through the profit or loss is always to be considered as based on cost unless it is stated or otherwise known that it is based on selling price also. But in our syllabus we have to find the profit or loss on the basis of cost price. Now what is profit? Profit is the excess money gained over the cost price. If the selling price is greater than cost price, then the seller is said to have a gain or a profit. What is loss? When the selling price is less than the cost price, then the seller is said to be have a loss. Cost price CP, price of purchasing goods. Selling price SP, price at which the goods are sold. Profit means P. If SP is greater than CP, that is if you sold at a price higher than the cost price, then it is a profit. It means P is equal to SP minus CP. Loss stands for L. If SP is less than CP, that is if you sold a price lower than your purchase price or lower than the cost price, then it is a loss. Therefore, loss is equal to CP minus SP. Profit and loss based on cost. When a percentage of profit or loss is given, it is understood unless stated to the country that this percent is based on the cost. Thus, if someone states simply that he or she told something as a profit of 10%, it is understand to means that it was sold for an amount equal to its cost price plus 10% of the cost. In modern business, however, it is customary to figure out profit and loss as percentage of selling price. So, either the profit or loss is always calculated on the cost price. Now, percentage of profit or loss. We often express or use percentage profit P percent or percent loss means L percent rather than speaking actual value of the profit or loss. This percentage profit or loss is calculated as percentage of the cost price unless otherwise stated. So the profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. To calculate profit when CP and profit percent are given, so profit P is equal to CP multiplied by P upon 100 or P multiplied by CP upon 100. To calculate the selling price when CP and profit percent are given, first calculate the profit using the formula that is above and then SP is equal to CP plus profit. To calculate the loss when CP and loss percent are given, so loss is equal to L upon 100 into CP or CP into L upon 100. To calculate SP, when CP and loss percent are given, first calculate loss using the formula above are given and then SP is equal to CP minus loss. These are the formula given in our book on the page number 127. Gain is equal to SP minus CP because selling price is greater than cost price, then there is a gain, and if the cost price is greater than selling price, then it is a loss. Now, first formula, gain is equal to SP minus CP. Second, loss is equal to CP minus SP. Gain percent is equal to gain upon CP into 100. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. To find the selling price when CP and gain percent or loss percent are given, you use the direct formula SP is equal to 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into CP, and SP is when the loss percent is given, then SP is equal to 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into CP. These are the direct formula, so it will be very useful while finding solution. Now to find the CP when SP and gain percent or loss percent are given. So first, when the gain percent is given, CP is equal to 100 plus gain multiplied by SP. If the loss percent is given, then Cp is equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percent multiplied by Sp. Now let us start the exercise 10.A. Now the exercise 10.A, question number 1. Find the gain or loss percent when, first question, the cost price is 620 and the selling price is 713. Now the selling price is greater than cost price, so there is a profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. You have to find the answer. Now the fourth part. Cost price is 80 and the selling price is 76.80. Then there is a loss because the cost price is greater than selling price. So loss is equal to Cp minus Sp. You have to find your own answer. Now the question number 2. Find the selling price when cost price is equal to 1650 and gain is equal to 4%. So gain percent and loss percent is always calculated on cost price. There is two type of solution. One, by using the direct formula, selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into cost price, or one, you have to find out the gain in rupees. So gain is equal to 4% of Cp. Then you have to calculate the 4% of Cp. You get the gain in rupees. Then selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Now the next question. Cost price is equal to 875 and the loss is equal to 12%. You can use the direct formula. Selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percent upon 100 multiplied by cost price. Or you have to find like this. Loss in rupees is equal to 12% of 875. Then you have to find the loss in rupees, and then selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Then you get your answer. Both the solution is right by using direct formula, or you have to calculate the loss or profit in rupees, then use the simple formula. Now the third question. Find the cost price when selling price is equal to 1596 and gain is equal to 12%. You can use direct formula. Cost price is equal to 100 upon 100 plus gain percent multiplied by selling price. This is convenient to solve this question. If the selling price is equal to 657.60 and the loss is equal to 4%, then you can use the direct formula. Cost price is equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percent multiplied by Sp. It is more convenient, so you can use the direct formula to finding the cost price if the selling price and gain percent or loss percent is given. The fourth question. Manjeet bought an iron safe for rupees 12,160 and paid 340 for its transportation. Then he sold it for rupees 12,875. Find his gain or loss percent. So the cost price is equal to 12,160. This transportation is known as overhead expense, that is 340. So the actual Cp is equal to 12,160 plus 340, which is equal to 12,500. Now the selling price is equal to 12,875. So the selling price is greater than cost price, so there is a gain. Gain is equal to Sp minus Cp is equal to 12,875 minus 12,500. Now the gain is equal to 375. Gain percent is equal to gain upon Cp into 100. So 375 upon 12,500 multiplied by 100. Then we get gain is equal to 3%. I think you all understand what I taught in this video. Kindly solve these questions in your classwork copy and further 5, 6, 7, 8 in your homework copy. If there is a problem, then you can ask within a class.